If you want to remove the OneDrive ad or stop OneDrive from popping up promotional notifications on your Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn off those annoying OneDrive promotions, and I'll also show you an optional step if you want to stop OneDrive from launching at startup altogether. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and let's get right into it. First, look near the clock on your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is the small cloud icon that sits in the system tray area. Click it once to open OneDrive. Next, click the gear icon in the OneDrive window. That gear icon opens the settings menu where Microsoft keeps most of the notification and preference options. From there, click settings. Once the settings window opens, look for the notification section. This is where you can control the alerts, tips, and promotional messages that OneDrive shows on your device. Open notifications and then turn off the options that are related to suggestions and promotions. Depending on what you see on your screen, these may include things like offer suggestions, get notifications when, show tips about OneDrive, and promotional notifications. Turning these off helps reduce or completely stop the OneDrive ads and pop-ups that can feel distracting when you're working. After you disable those options, make sure the changes are saved, then close the settings window. At this point, most users will already notice that OneDrive is much less intrusive. But if you want to go one step further and stop OneDrive from starting automatically when your computer turns on, there's another optional step you can follow. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click Startup Apps. This tab shows the programs that automatically run when Windows starts. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft OneDrive. When you locate it, right-click it and choose Disable. This prevents OneDrive from loading at startup, which can help stop it from appearing in the background or showing reminders right away. If you ever want it back, you can return to Startup Apps and enable it again. So to recap, the main way to remove the OneDrive ad is to open OneDrive, go into the gear icon, open settings, and turn off the notification and promotional options. And if you want a stronger solution, you can also disable OneDrive from Startup Apps using Task Manager. That's it. A fast and easy way to clean up your Windows experience and get rid of those OneDrive promotions. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.